Transform your website leads into loyal customers by seamlessly connecting your WPForms submissions directly to targeted MailerLite email automation sequences. First, ensure you have both the MailerLite plugin and WPForms installed and activated on your WordPress website. Navigate to WPForms in your WordPress dashboard. Then go to Settings and click on the Integrations tab. Here, you'll find the MailerLite integration. Click the Connect or Setup button to begin. To connect, you'll need your MailerLite API key. You can find this by logging into your MailerLite account, going to Account Settings, and then Developer API. Copy your API key from MailerLite and paste it into the designated field in the WPForms MailerLite integration settings. Now, let's set up a specific form. Open or create the WPForms form you want to integrate with MailerLite. Inside the form builder, go to Settings, and then click on the MailerLite tab. Enable the MailerLite integration for this specific form. You'll then need to select the MailerLite email list you want to add subscribers to. Crucially, you need to map your form fields to the corresponding fields in your MailerLite subscriber list. Link your name field to MailerLite's name and your email field to MailerLite's email. Once a form is submitted, this connection will automatically add the subscriber to your chosen MailerLite list, triggering any pre-built automation sequences. This means immediate follow-ups, personalized welcome messages, or targeted lead nurturing can commence straight away, all powered by your WPForms submissions. Maximize your lead conversion and nurture customer relationships by making this powerful integration a cornerstone of your WordPress marketing strategy.